Hello my dear students of class 9th. Today I am here to just tell you about the derivation of equation of motion by two methods. First one is graphical and second one is analytical. In my previous lecture I told you about the motion, types of motion and different parameters of motion, about the graph and the equation of motion also I have told you in my last lecture. Today I am going to tell you from where this equation of motion will come. So let's see one by one. I will discuss today both the methods, how you will solve the equation of motion by graph as well as mathematical, or you can say analytical. Okay, now look, first equation of motion is v equals to u plus at. Second equation of motion is s equals to ut plus half at square, and third equation of motion is v square minus u square equals to 2as. The question is how these equation of motion will come. So first of all, I will discuss graphical method of first equation of motion. Look here. To derive first equation of motion, remember this graph. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is origin. Now, this is given curve AB, which is from the bold line AB. You can see this arrow. This AB is given curve. What this curve indicates? This curve indicates when the value of time, because time I have taken on x-axis and velocity I have taken on y-axis. When the time means when we observe the motion, means when the time was 0, then body was in motion. Means you cannot say when time was 0, body was in rest. No. The moment when you observe any motion, the time starts. The time starts from 0, and because you are observing a motion, so that motion carries any velocity, and because you are observing that velocity, so that velocity is OA, that is initial velocity, and continuously you are observing motion till time t. So till time t, body reaches at B. So on the velocity axis, when you draw a perpendicular line, so you will get the velocity of body is v. So this is u and this is v, and from here to here is t, because till B you are observing motion. So when you draw perpendicular on the time axis, you will get total time from O to E, and that is equals to t. Remember this. Now, with the help of velocity time graph, we can calculate acceleration, and acceleration is slope of velocity time curve. Slope means tan theta. Tan theta means perpendicular upon base, means BD upon AD. BD you can write equals to CA. CA upon AD. AD is equals to OE. So this is CA upon OE. CA from here to here can be equals to OC minus OA. That is why I have written here OC minus OA. Divide by OE. O to C is V. O to A is U. Divide by OE means T. When you interchange T this side, you will get V equals to U plus AT. So this is the derivation of first equation of motion by graphical method. Second, same graph, whatever the graph is here, same graph is here. Now here I have divided two figures, first and second. I told you one formula that if you want to calculate distance from velocity time graph, that is the sum of area of all closed figure. Here the closed figures are 2, means area of this figure plus area of this figure. This is rectangle OA into OE, this one, and this is triangle half into base into height. Base is AD, height is BD. Now AD can be written as OE because both are parallel and equal. Look here, and BD is equals to CA. BD equals to CA. Now put the values of all the given parameters, you will get answer S equals to UT plus half AT square. Now when you move towards third equation of motion, that is V square minus U square equals to 2AS, same figure. But what I did here, this is perpendicular from A to D, I have not plotted here. Means only one closed figure I have mentioned here, only to derive this formula. Now again distance will be, because here is only one figure, this one, so I have written area of this closed figure. And this is trapezium. Area of trapezium is half into sum of parallel side into height. This is one side, this is one side, both are parallel, and this is height. I have written here. Now this is OA, this is BE. BE is CO. So in place of BE, I have written OC. Now OC is V, OA is U, OE is T, Now t, I have written here v minus u upon a. Question is from where you will get? If you see here, if you replace t this side, a this side, then t equals to what? V minus u upon a. Same formula I have written here. So when you will collect, this is a plus b into a minus b formula, a square minus b square. So you will get v square minus u square. A will shift this side, 2 will shift this side. This is distance. So this will come what? 2as. So these are the three derivation of equation of motion with the help of graph. Now if you come to the mathematical, look the first one. Acceleration is v minus u upon t. You know this formula. Cross multiply, you will get v minus u equals to at or v equals to u plus at. For second, here you all know that distance is equals to speed into time. This formula you know. But because here velocity vary, because sometimes velocity is u, after that it becomes v, that means here we will apply the concept of average velocity. So distance can be written as average velocity into time. Average velocity into time. Now average velocity formula is u plus v upon 2 into time means t. U is as it is. In place of this v, you can write u plus at, divide by 2 as it is, multiply t. Now this u and u becomes 2u and multiply by t, that will be 2ut plus at square, divide by 2, cross multiply, you will get this formula. In fact, sorry, cross multiply not, you divide this 2ut, divide by this 2, so you will get ut here and at square upon 2, so s is equals to ut plus half at square. Understand? I said that u plus u becomes 2u and t multiply, so this is 2ut and at t multiply at square, divide by 2, then separately when you divide this 2 from here and from here, you will get this result. Now third one, first equation of motion is this, square both sides. So this will come v square and a plus b whole square, when you break this, you will get u square plus a square t square plus 2uat. U square as it is. In these two terms take common 2a. 2a is not common here, but to derive this equation I am taking 2a common. So when you take 2a common, here no 2, so divide by 2. A already outside, so only a left and t square as it is, plus 2a is already outside, ut. Now this is ut plus half at square is what? S. So this is now v square plus 2u square plus 2s. Shift this u this side. No need, but if you want to shift, v square minus u square equals to 2as. So this is the derivation of equation of motion by graphical method as well as by mathematical method. Okay, in my next lecture, I will tell you some numerical problems based on equation of motion. Till then, goodbye. God bless you. All the best.